Listening to these stories, it becomes kind of clear. Engineering innovation doesn't happen in isolation. The best ideas are going to emerge from teamwork, from a strong network of engineers and partners working together to push the boundaries of what's possible. And that's why we continue to invest in the community through open source initiatives, partnerships, and education to support the next generation of engineers. Let's take a look.
Innovation starts where science meets uncertainty. But turning bold ideas into real impact doesn't happen alone. That's why we continue to invest in a global ecosystem, deepening our developer support and expanding the reach and capabilities of our platform. We're evolving how we support our global partners with stronger connections that fuel innovation from every corner of the world. We're also recharging our academic outreach, helping train the next generation of engineers. And we're reigniting our user community, supporting more events and creating spaces for engineers to connect, collaborate, and thrive. With domain experts, strategic partners, a global community, and a legacy of shared success, you'll always have the tools, knowledge, and support to push technology forward. Wherever your innovation goes next, you won't be going alone.
Please welcome Director, NI Software Community, Emerson, Eli Kerry.
Hello, good morning, or howdy, I guess I should say. You just saw that we are making significant investments into our community. And in the time I have, I'm really excited to give you more specific examples of what we've been up to. So for starters, as the community guy, I love NI Connect, right? This is really the ultimate community event. And events have been a top priority for us and for my team, because we see incredible value in connecting our users to share and exchange ideas. In fact, I really want to challenge everyone in this room to take ideas and inspirations from this conference back to your local communities and to your colleagues through forums like, of course, user groups. Now, community is also incredibly valuable for us because it gives us the valuable chance to hear feedback from our users. And we've been doing a lot of listening these last few years. So based on your feedback, you've seen significant increases to investment in R&D and core products. As we'll talk about here in a minute, we've renewed our focus on academia and especially students. We've done things like bring back perpetual licenses. It's the little things. Actually, that's a big thing. And as Kevin pointed out yesterday, we've even gone so far as to publish our roadmaps to ni.com for the sake of greater transparency and engagement with you.